Hello, this is Mayela Vazquez and we're backstage at the Monique Lhuillier Show with Lancome. This is how you can recreate the look for your wedding day. We want the models to be super glowy, beautiful, fresh, and the main focus is gonna be on the lips with a little bit of an ethereal vibe on the eyes. The first thing that you have to do is make sure that you prep the skin. And I'm gonna start by using the Genifique Ultimate Serum, which is gonna help us smooth out, nourish, and really deeply hydrate your skin. And you don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way. The next step is using Absolute Cream. It's very easy to blend. It feels so nice on the skin. The Absolute Eye Cream is also one of the essentials because we wanna make sure that that area of the skin is prepped for concealer later. The next step is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. This is number 225N, and I love this foundation because it's just light but it's buildable. It is waterproof and sweat resistant. I'm gonna use Teint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer. This concealer has a very seamless application and a long-lasting effect. I'm blending it using my finger or a brush, going upwards, and as you can see, it melts super nice. It works really well to brighten up the eyes. Next, I'm gonna use the Dual Finish Powder, and I'm just gonna apply it over the T-zone to set up the makeup and make sure that everything that I want in place stays in place throughout the day. Next, I'm using the Teint Idole Transforming Highlighter, and this is gonna be one of the stars of the show. I love that it has like multi-dimensional finish. It just glows perfectly on the skin. I'm using it all over the eyelid, and I'm blending it outwards. Just gives a really nice glow without being glittery or too intense. I'm gonna continue and apply all over the top of the cheekbones. One of my favorite products is blush Subtil. So we're gonna be using Berry Bisou. It's a beautiful color for fall. And I'm gonna use the same brush as I was using before, and I'm gonna apply it over the corner of the eyes. So here I have Café Crush palette. I'm gonna use the two light shades and I'll show you how pretty they look. I'm gonna apply them over on the center just for an extra kick. And I love this palette because it is very versatile. You have warm and cool tones. On the palette, you have metallics and you have also mattes. So this is a great palette for the season, and especially for your wedding day. I'm gonna apply the same two colors on the bottom for an extra glow under the eyes. To end the look, I'm gonna use this dark, it's like a burgundy color that is a similar tone as our blush, Berry Bisou. And I'm just gonna enhance what I did earlier and blend upwards. For the lips, as I was telling you, this is gonna be still the star of the show. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the same Holo Glow, and I'm gonna apply it on the Cupid's bow. So the last touch for the eyes is our favorite Lash Idole Mascara. And because the look is very editorial and edgy, we're just gonna use it over the roots of the lash line. To finish the look, I'm gonna use Got Me Blushing, and this is just gonna be over the center of the lips. This is gonna be a touch of cherry, and we want the lips looking very plump and juicy. I'm applying it with a brush, but you can also use your fingers and blend it from the center to the outer corners of your lips. To finish up the look, I'm gonna use the JuicyTreat lip oil. This is gonna give us an instant shine and hydration throughout the day. This is a great product because it's a serum and a lip gloss in one. I'm adding the last touch-ups of highlighter or Holo Glow, and she's ready. This is the final look. How do you feel?
I feel gorgeous.
We're ready. Thank you for watching.